Hello everyone. Let's learn the pronunciation, meaning and use of the word deposition. Let's learn how to say it properly first. It's a three-syllable word. Dap is the first syllable. A short sound. Z, we stress on the syllable, and in the end, shun. Dapper, dapper, zation, deposition. It's not deposition or deposition, it's deposition. Deposition. Say it with me. Deposition. Now let's learn how to use it in different situations. In law, deposition means a formal statement given under oath before a trial. Example sentences. The witness gave a deposition to the lawyer before the court case. The witness gave a deposition before the trial began. The lawyer asked several questions during the deposition. Her deposition was recorded and later used in court. Can you make some sentences using the word deposition? Please share in the comments. So how do you use in politics? In this scenario, deposition means removing someone in power. The king's deposition led to major political changes in the country. It means that they had removed the king from power. The king was no more a king. After the deposition of the president, a new leader took control. So it means that the president was removed from his position. The deposition of the ruler caused unrest among the citizens. So again, ruler is removed in this situation. In science, deposition means settling down on the bottom. When some substance or material settles down, it's called deposition. For example, frost on the window formed because of deposition during the cold night. Scientists explain the snowflakes are created by deposition of water vapor in clouds. The layer of ice on the tree's branches was caused by deposition. Can you make some sentences using the word deposition in different situations? Did you like this video? Do you want me to explain more words like this? Let me know in the comments. See you.